Today you're going to learn to make a Google form. Go to your waffle and click Forms. Select a blank form and give it a title. The title is going to be the thing that your survey will be about. Mine is going to be Superhero Power Survey. I'm including the word survey so that when I go to find it in my documents, I know exactly what I'm looking for. I've typed my name here, or my survey name here. Now I'm going to click up here at Untitled Form, and it automatically puts it in there for me. When I'm giving you a quiz, the first question is always, what is your name? And I give you a short answer text to be able to choose your name. When I give you something that involves more writing, it's a paragraph. You're familiar with multiple choice. That's when you only pick one. Check boxes are for 2 or more answers. If you choose to use check boxes, then you're going to need to tell them how many they're allowed to choose. Choose 2, 3, whatever. But there's no point in doing check boxes if you're only doing one. I'm going to do a drop-down menu because I've never done drop-down menus with you. So I'm going to type my question. If you could have a superpower, which of these powers would you choose? Notice that my question is a closed-ended question. It means that you must select from the questions that or from the answers that I'm giving you. You don't get to choose your own. That would require either a short answer, a paragraph, or leaving a space for writing in. We are not doing that. So let's think about some options for superpowers. Flying, invisibility, super strength, super eyesight, super speed, and how about like Elastigirl, we'll do stretchy. You must choose at least 5. So you can't choose 4, you can't choose 3, you have to put in 5 possible answers, and your maximum number is 7. So you can do 5, 6, or 7. I'm going to do 6. Now there are some things I can play with. I might want to change my color. You know, purple really matches my mood a little better than the rest. I'm going to keep it purple. So that I did here. Then I'm going to go to Settings. In Settings, I'm going to uncheck this box, restricting users in East Baton Rouge schools, because you might want to ask people at home. Leave everything blank here because we do not want people to edit after they submit. Most people don't really want to see our summary charts. And I would say limit to 1 response most of the time, except we're going to play a game, a Scoot game, where we're going to go around computer to computer. So do not check that. Leave it as it is. That was general. Now click on Presentation. This is the message that you see after you answer. Your response has been recorded is perfectly fine. But I'm going to change mine to thank you for participating. You are super, meaning like superhero. And then I'm going to save it. There's no need to show a progress bar. That would mean showing that you have how far along you've come in the quiz. There's only one question, there's no point. And there's no question order to shuffle. I'm not making this a quiz. There's no right or wrong answer, so don't click anything there. The only thing you're changing is you keep this one checked and you change your confirmation. This is going to allow the next person who comes to your station to answer the quiz when we do the scoot. So I've clicked save. Now I want to see it. Up here's the eyeball. Click the eyeball. If you could have a superpower, which of these will you choose? So there's your drop-down menu. And now you know. I would pick flying. I click submit. And here it is, submit another response. That's not for the next person, or that is for the next person. That's not for one person to keep on clicking over and over and over. We're going to try to do it one at a time, but this will just allow it to be ready for in the scoot the next person who comes. Oh no, I should have spelled something better. I can go back and edit with that little pencil that I showed you. So back to my drive. See how easy it is to find my survey because I've named it well. Have fun.